Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Notebooklm for teachers. To begin, open Notebooklm in your web browser. Once the site loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. This will be the main workspace where you can bring in teaching resources and turn them into useful materials. Next, copy the sample teacher link from your resources. This link is the source Notebooklm will use to build your notebook content, so make sure you copy the full link before moving on. Having it ready in advance will help the process go smoothly. Now look to the top right area of the screen and find the Create New option. This is where you start a fresh notebook. When you see it, go ahead and click Create New to open a new workspace. This gives you a blank starting point for adding your teaching material. Once the new notebook opens, paste the link you copied earlier into the source field. Be careful to place the link in the correct box so Notebooklm can read and import the content properly. After pasting the link, click the forward arrow to continue. This tells the platform to process the source and begin generating content from it. After entering the link, Notebooklm will display a suggestion related to your new creation. Click on that suggestion when it appears. This helps you move into the generated notebook and access the material Notebooklm has prepared based on your source. If it takes a few seconds to load, that is normal, so just give it a moment. From here, you can start exploring the different output options. For audio editing, go to the top right section and click Audio Overview. This area is useful if you want to turn your content into an audio-based summary or presentation format, which can be especially helpful for review materials or alternative learning formats. Next, click on Slide Deck. This option helps present the content in a more visual, structured way. It can be useful when you want to organize information into a format that supports classroom instruction, staff presentations, or student-facing resources. Finally, click on Video Overview. This gives you another way to review or present the material using a video-style format. It can be a helpful option when you want content that feels more dynamic and easy to follow. And that's how to use Notebooklm for teachers, from creating a new notebook with a resource link to exploring audio, slide, and video overview tools.